Look at this. My goodness. What's happening? That's literally anger in me in my spirit.
I'm gonna test this out. Keep in mind that I'm an artist. I'm sensitive about my shit.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Chariti, Sinae, and I am back with another video. Today is another episode of the color series. Color of the day is purple, you know what I'm saying? And I just did, you know, a little graphic liner moment. I just kind of winged it out over here, then put these two little rhinestones, you know what I'm saying, on the sides. I know I have on a red shirt. I have not changed yet, but I'm really in a rush because this battery is about to die and I'm just not about to change my shirt for the sake of the battery. So yes, if you're interested in today's video, let's just get into it. Let's get this party started, shall we? So I already primed and I used MAC Strobe Cream and Gold Light. Now, hey, do I have my foundations over here? No, I don't. I'll insert a clip, but I use for foundation, oh my gosh, please Chariti, get it together. I am using my Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 410, I believe. Yeah, 410. And I put some Smashbox primer oil in it. Are these crooked? I hope not, because that's gonna be sad. Like, I really, every time I do anything involving two pigtails, I can never get them even. So, guess we shall see. The finish of this foundation. This is the soft matte. I don't know if I made that clear. But yeah, the finish is beautiful. The finish and the coverage. I'm gonna take this crayon case highlighter. This isn't the number 13. Yeah, it is highlighter, but it's highlighter concealer. Just wanted to make sure, you know what I'm saying, set it right, set it right. I put some squeeze some out on the back of my hand, and I'm going in with this first to correct, because it has that, you know, orangier type of peachier undertone, and it would just be great for correcting. So I'm gonna take it on my eyes first. On my eyes, you know what I'm saying, all around my mouth, and all around my mouth, Lord. And that's pretty much, those are the only places I like to correct. You know what I'm saying? And then we're gonna go in with a little highlight and concealer. You know what I'm saying? Look at how beautifully it blends in. I'm liking this. I know it's not just me, but like it definitely made a difference. Like that was my first time trying that technique. I realized that I had this concealer. I've used it once before when I was doing an all natural look, because as you can see, this would be perfect for anyone who just wants to touch up with concealer and go. Like I could easily use this because it's still so close to my complexion, but it also makes the skin look flawless. I realized that I haven't really used it often. So today's the day, bro. Okay, so to brighten, I'm going in with my Born This Way concealer from Too Faced in the shade Honey. Let's crack it open. Just gonna take a little bit because this is definitely full coverage. You literally need a little bit of this. A little bit of it definitely goes a long way. So I'm not even gonna use that much. You know what I'm saying? Like, I haven't even dipped back into the bottle. You really don't need to, because quite a lot of it comes out on the applicator. And these are the areas I'm concealing: my eyes, nose, or brightening. not about concealing for me. It's about brightening. This concealer is definitely magical. I love this concealer. Literally did not need a lot of this, because a lot of people use this concealer as foundation, and it's actually something that I want to do. I want to see if they would have, you know, my shade, because I could tell that it really would be a beautiful foundation. Beautiful. Look at that. Like, look at the brightness, babe. It's just so beautiful. The finish of it and everything is just beautiful. But I'm going in with my Beauty Bakery Flour Powder in the shade Yellow. I'm just gonna hit the areas I concealed. You know what I'm saying? Just gonna press that. And I'm taking my MAC powder, y'all. This ain't nothing new, love. Just gonna powder my entire face. I am baking under my eye and on my eyelids, because we're not really doing eyeshadow. So I just set it with some powder, and I don't want it to crease. Okay, here's the tea, honey. I'm taking my Fenty Beauty bronzer, Miss Mama's, and yes ma'am, we about to bronze her up. Y'all already know the real deal. Y'all already know the real deal with this, you know what I'm saying? This is my girlfriend right here. This is the love of my life right here. Oh my gosh. Look at, it's just so sad. So, just gonna, you know what I'm saying, pack that powder on in before you, girl, move to the next step. You know what I'm saying? It's looking flawless, baby. That's all I can say. What I'm gonna do is take my Dragon Beauty Transformation Powder, taking the peachy shade, because we are bright, you know, a little bit already. You know what I'm saying? But y'all know how I feel about my under eye, okay? That's as far as I'm gonna go. Just a little dab. Little dab of drag. Quality of it all. I know I got to cut this. You know I got to cut it. Look at the cheekbone of it all, love. It's the cheekbones for me. I know y'all see this little situation I got going in, really trying to blow my spot up, but one thing I'm not gonna do is let it. I did one eye, but I'm gonna zoom in. Zoom in, zoom out. Zoom in, zoom out. Zoom in, zoom out. So I'm first gonna take this NYX retractable eyeliner in the shade Purple Violet. And I'm gonna map it out. This pencil is not gonna be that pigmented on the lid, so I'm just really using it to map out how I want to do it, and then I'm gonna actually like lay an eyeshadow on top of it. So first I'm just gonna begin to, you know what I'm saying, draw it on. Saying like that, you know what I'm saying? You see how purple this eye is versus this one? So going into my Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place, I'm taking Makeda, I hope I'm saying that right. And it's just a little purple shimmer. And picking it up on an angled brush, I'm gonna begin to apply it on top of that liner. And I did spray my brush just so it can help with the pigment. Picking up Daya Oh Lord, I do not know, but I'm picking that up, and y'all see it because I'm gonna show it, and I'm gonna put that right on my inner tear duct. I'm gonna take that same shade and put it on my brow bone. And I'm just gonna pop a little gemstone or rhinestone. I used glue to do it. Taking this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk, and I'm gonna line my lower lash line with this. Taking these iconic lashes by I Envy, and I'm taking the number 26 lashes, and these are gonna be what I use today, but just because they're really natural. So I'm gonna take my Anglola highlighter, you know what I'm saying? This is from the crayon case. You know what I'm saying? Just gonna put it right here on my chin, like so. Here on my cheekbones. You know what I'm saying? Give you girls some glow, some shine. So I'm going to start on my lips. For lip liner, I'm going in with Chestnut, and then I'm probably going to lay down Brooklyn Thorn by NYX, which is also a lip liner. And I'm going to be using this Lip Shine from Fenty Beauty. She just launched these not too long ago. I'm using the shade Makeout Break. You know what I'm saying? It's the nude, so of course your girl got it. Shout out to my stepmama for surprising me with it, actually. Alright y'all, so this is the final look. Yes ma'am, I really like it. I hope y'all like it. The skin is looking great. She is looking bronzed, baby, and I just love it. I love how my overall complexion looks. So yes, I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Please be sure to comment down below. Let me know what you would like to see from me on my channel, and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you will be notified whenever I do upload. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys.